yo, it's your man, Chef Krap here. 1 second, I forgot to turn on the lights. You guys need to see my beautiful face, don't you? Oh yeah, beautiful face. So, right now I'm going to be reacting to Junior's snack. Now, it's going to be a new series where characters react to Smoke and Subtile's videos because I'm in Smoke and Subtile's videos. So please don't go subscribe to Smoke and Subtile to see this beautiful crap face, okay? And yeah, and tell us if you want to see another character react, like Luigi, BY. I need to bring BY back. He hasn't been in a video in a long time. But yeah, so just tell us that. So let's watch Junior's snack. So yeah, I hate Junior and Bowser, but they can react to videos too. So yeah, let's just start the video in 3, 2, 1. Wait, whoops. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Where's Chef Krap at? Son, do you know where he is? No, and I don't care where he is. I'm not hungry, Dad. Yes, you are.
I hate Junior. He's always hungry. And Bowser's so mean to him. And he's mean to me. Treats me as a freaking slave. Personal assistant, I don't know.
Chef Krap, where are you?
I was over there eating my salad. God dang it. Yes, exactly. And that salad was delicious.
What do you want?
Exactly.
What could you possibly want? My son is hungry, and fix him something to eat. Well, what does he even want? I need to know what
Yeah,
he wants.
they think I can just read their minds. Like, whoa, you want freaking a hot dog? I don't know.
Just get out of this room. Just get out of this room. I can't think with you here.
You just got roasted. Well, you didn't get roasted, but like you just got told.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's what I like to see, Bowser. Punch your kid in the face, abuse him. Yeah. I hate that kid.
Junior, are you okay?
I help him anyway because I'm a good person. Good person right here. Let me turn this up. Need to go to the other side of this computer. I'm gonna turn this up. Turn it all the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.
It's not 3 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock in the morning.
Yes, 7 o'clock.
And you want a chocolate bar.
Yes, exactly. I hate him.
Yes.
He wants a chocolate bar at 7 o'clock in the morning.
I have a chocolate bar right here. I never ate it.
Not eggs or bacon. There's bacon right there, Junior. Bacon right there. And you're not even. You just want a freaking chocolate bar.
I got this chocolate bar right here.
Yeah.
See, look.
See, chocolate bar with Oreos in it. Extra chocolate.
Oreos, the people who make Oreos make chocolate bars.
Mhm. It's so delicious. Delicioso. But of course, he throws it off the freaking table.
Yeah. So, you could put the chocolate bar. I don't want that chocolate bar. It has Oreos in it. I don't want Oreos in it.
See, look, he's the pickiest little brat ever.
What do you want? We don't have any normal chocolate bars.
See, look at. Look, just watch. He just throws it on the floor. That makes me so mad. Oh my god, I just want to punch him in the face.
Go make me some cereal.
Oh, cereal. That is really normal.
Okay, I'll go make
It's normal for the morning. But then he doesn't want that because he's a stupid brat.
Yes. Fruity Pebbles.
I like Fruity Pebbles. They're really
Fruity
good.
Pebbles. Is this what you want? Yes, I want Fruity Pebbles. Okay, now I just gotta get a bowl. That's good, right?
Yeah, exactly. I thought he was gonna go.
Pick it up and pour it in, okay?
I did a perfect impression of him right there. Of him screaming because the bowl. Go watch the video, it'll make more sense. You guys probably can't hear it right now. But go watch the actual video, it's called Junior's Snack.
Okay, so, oh shoot. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Put it in the boat, put it in the boat, put it in the boat. Oh yeah, so sexy. Put it in the boat, put it in the boat.
Oh no, I'm spinning it. Oh, crap, I spilled it. We need to get the trash can over here and do that, but whatever. So, is this what you want? Is this what you want, little crybaby?
Yes, exactly. Okay, babe.
I don't want cereal anymore. Well, then
See, look, this is the mad face. This is my mad face.
hell
And I constantly had that face on.
do you want?
Yes.
I want. Do you want bacon? Do you want bacon? This is from yesterday's normal breakfast.
Yes, we had normal breakfast
We
yesterday.
have bacon. We have bacon. And that was from yesterday. It is perfectly good. No. Ugh. So what do you want?
What do you want, you little brat?
I want some soup. Some canned soup. Yeah. Who eats canned soup? It's not the old times, but whatever.
Yeah, exactly. I don't eat canned soup.
We eat some canned soup.
Bowser doesn't eat canned soup. Of course, Junior wants a canned soup. Look at what he does to it. Perfectly good canned soup.
No, you're not throwing it off.
Yeah, I'm freaking like blocking him.
No, you're not. No.
And then he throws it on the floor.
Yeah.
Bang. Throws it on the floor.
Thank you. Oh my God, that was perfectly good. Oh my God, it was a perfectly good soup. Perfectly good soup.
Exactly. Perfectly good.
Too healthy.
Well, that's what soup is supposed to be. It's supposed to be healthy sometimes.
What the frick do you want?
Exactly.
What do you want?
Exactly. What do you want?
I
I know what he's gonna say.
want some. I want a bologna sandwich. You want a bologna sandwich?
Exactly.
Yes. I'm sure that's what you want.
I made sure he wouldn't complain about the shapes and stuff because I know he'll complain about that. I know he will.
What shape do you want the bologna?
Exactly.
A normal circle kind.
Yes, good.
Okay.
Like a normal person.
What shape do you want the bread? Normal bread shape.
See, that's normal. But he's not normal.
Do you want the bread to be made of? Sara Lee. Okay.
Yeah.
I can do that.
Go, do it.
So if we just have the Sara Lee bread back here, just get it. And these napkins out of the way.
Yeah, I need to get the napkins out of the way. They're in the way. The Sara Lee bread.
Okay, so I got the Sara Lee bread.
Mm-hmm.
I'm stepping on all the crumbs from the
Yeah.
cereal.
Freaking, I had to clean that up with the freaking, with the freaking, like, dryer. No, not the dryer. What was it called? Vacuum cleaner, yeah. If you don't know where I am, I'm in the living room. That's why, yeah, we're in the living room. See, there's, so now, if you see, like, that globe or those two chairs, you know we're in the living room.
Are you satisfied with the ingredients I got?
I hate him. He just squished all that bread. He squished all that bread, and then I had to go buy some more.
You made me so mad.
I just want to beat him.
You make me so freaking mad. Now I gotta clean up this kitchen. This makes me. He's a little brat. I hate him so much. Well, gotta clean up this mess. So.
Yeah. That's it. Junior makes me so mad I can barely even watch a video of him. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, and hopefully we can make it to that smoking hot like button, which is 1,000 likes for Smoking Septile. Yeah, 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 likes. That would be awesome on this video. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And remember, you always have to catch 'em all. Bye, guys. Hey, that's my catchphrase. Oh yeah.